Stop over-engineering built-in Copilot. I see so many professionals wasting hours building complex flows for a task that an agent could do in seconds. I'm Paul Keijzers, Microsoft MVP. This should be rolling out in April, according to Microsoft, for those high-end autonomous triggers. But to keep your environment clean, you need a strategy today. To make the right choice, we use the standard KbWorks checklist: logic, data, action, and speed. Let's see how this works in a real-world scenario.
Look at this expense process. If it's a fixed sequence, if A happens, do B. This is sequential. It's the hands of your system. For this, we always use flow because it's 100% predictable. But look at this governance policy. A flow cannot read this for this. We build a Copilot agent. It uses dynamic logic to understand documents and answers questions. It's a brain of your solution, and you can build it in 3 minutes. So what we are going to do is we are going to go to the SharePoint site, and here we click on this icon and we say, okay, when it's loaded, create an agent. And I already did it, but let's do it again. And I will paste this text. That was the incorrect text. I paste this text. This is my purpose of the bot. So you are a KbWorks AI governance assistant. Your goal is to help employees understand AI safely, AI governance policy of the document. So here I click create and I will call it Copilot Agent just for the sake of it. And I want to, it's going to go into the documents where all files are. And once it's loaded, I can ask questions. And questions I want to ask is, for example, can I use AI for financial approvals, for example? Let's see what it comes back with. Maybe it doesn't come back, but we'll see. In this case, it's a AI is a use. Yes, you can use AI. What's allowed, participate, automated flows, etc. So this is a basic Copilot agent. But now we are going one step further and we are going to Copilot agents. I already made a new one. It's just nothing filled in. But here we say, okay, we give it the same instructions and save it. But now we will add some logic to it. And I'm just going to show you how to do it. But of course, let's discard because it's most important to set up this. Add knowledge. And there's a big difference here between knowledge and tools because knowledge is reading and tools are really writing and reading. And this can have effect on your connectors as well. So this is something important to know. So I click on SharePoint and I say browse items because I don't know exactly the name. And I click on documents and here you see I can select the documents. In this case, I can select, here we go. I just select this one, add to agent, and this one need to delete, add to agent. And this is the way how you should set it up in a Copilot Studio environment. The rule is simple. Use flow for fixed backgrounds, tasks, user agents for knowledge, and conversational help. The pro move, use an agent to talk to the user and let it trigger a flow to finish your job. I've put the entire framework and readiness steps in my fundamentals into Copilot guide. Download it at the link below to fix your governance before you start building. Visit kbworks.eu copilot-starting-guide and get your foundation right. This tip will help you reclaim your Friday afternoon. Subscribe for more. I'm Paul Keijzers. See you next time.